Can I recover my photos if I've lost them after signing out of my Apple ID?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be addressing a common concern among Apple users. Can I recover my photos if I've lost them after signing out of my Apple ID? If you've recently signed out and are worried about your memories, you're in the right place.
Why did my photos disappear?
When you sign out of your Apple ID, it might seem like your photos have vanished. But here's the deal. Your photos are associated with your Apple ID, especially if you use iCloud Photos. So, when you sign out, your device might not immediately display the photos linked to that account.
Are my photos permanently lost?
The good news is, no, they're not permanently lost. As long as you've backed up your photos on iCloud or on iTunes, they are retrievable. It's just a matter of accessing them.
How can I get my photos back?
1. Sign back into your Apple ID. 2. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than sign in. 3. Enter your Apple ID and password. 4. Ensure iCloud Photos is turned on. 5. Navigate to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud, greater than Photos. 6. Turn on iCloud Photos. 7. Wait for photos to reappear. 8. After signing in and turning on iCloud Photos, your images should start repopulating in your Photos app. 9. Alternative method, iTunes backup. 10. If you've backed up your device on iTunes, you can restore your device to that backup. 11. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes, select your iPhone's icon, then choose Restore Backup. Make sure to pick the backup that includes your photos. It's always alarming when photos seem to disappear, but rest assured, with Apple's robust backup systems in place, your memories are rarely gone for good. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember to always have backups for your treasured memories. Stay safe and keep clicking those pictures.